The Morimoto X3B LED third brake light is designed for the 2023 Plus Ford Super Duty trucks, offering a stylish and functional upgrade. Its modern design features pronounced 3D red brake light optics and clear bed illumination, housed in a sleek piano black polycarbonate casing. The quad brake light optics, crafted from optical grade polycarbonate and powered by 3-watt LEDs, ensure visibility day and night. Additionally, an F1 style rapid flash module is available for enhanced safety. The X3B isn't just about looks. Its rail-style bed lights are strategically engineered to eliminate dead spots, providing practical illumination for truck bed use. Installation is hassle-free, utilizing original mounting points and plug-and-play compatibility with stock wiring harness. Moreover, it complies with all DOT and SAE regulations for rear-facing lamps, ensuring both style and safety for truck enthusiasts. Installing your Morimoto X3B is super simple. Remove the 4 T20 Torx screws holding the brake light in place and pull the brake light away from the vehicle. Disconnect the plug and remove the third brake light and set it aside. Locate the plastic clip inside the cab and press down to release them. Slide the connector wiring over to the right and through the opening in the cab. This factory connection is not the connection to the Morimoto X3B third brake light. Push the wiring back into the cab. From the inside of the cab, gently pull the headliner away from the rear window. Locate and disconnect the third brake light pigtail from behind the headliner. All adapters are included whether you have a camera or non-camera. If you have a camera, use these 2 adapters, and if you don't have a camera, use these adapters. Connect the included pigtail, push the clip back in, route wiring through the hole in the cab and through the center opening of the cab as shown. Refit the headliner using the original push clips and holes. Remove the 2 plastic clips from the cab opening by first squeezing the clips together and then remove. Install the center mounting clips into the X3B light. Make sure that the tangs of the clip are pointed towards the left and the right side of the light, not up and down. These clips are one-time use, but an extra set is included with your light and can be replaced if needed. Also note these clips may already be installed. So if your truck comes with a backup camera built into the light, remove the 2 screws from the camera bracket and remove the bracket. Remove the camera from the stock brake light, install the camera cover, screws, and connector to the new X3B brake light. If you're installing the rapid flash module, unclip the wiring harness from the back of the X3B brake light, plug the female connector into the X3B brake light, plug the X3B brake light harness into the male connector of the flasher module, peel back the wrapper from the double-sided tape on the flasher module. Stick and secure that module into either the back of the X3B or to the inside of the light cavity. Turn on the truck and go through all of the modes to ensure proper functionality. All that's left to do is to enjoy your new X3B brake light with rapid flash.